Welcome to Bootstrap. Let's see about padding in this lecture. Here we have a website which is talking about the blog page. We have a header and the body content we have and the footer we have. And here, uh, let's see this page in the element tab, that how the Bootstrap class worked to get this layout, right? So to see the element page, just go click on this menu and you get here more tools. Under more tools, you may have to select developer tool. So that's how you will get to inspect this page. This is one way how we can get to see this under element tab, or else you can also do right click on the page, and then here you get to see the inspect. Okay, you get to see the option called inspect. Through this also you may able to get to see. So now I have kept open under the element tab. The first tab will appear as a element tab. So here we have our code. Here we are going to explore how the Bootstrap classes helped to get this particular layout. So here we have a container div. See, as I move the cursor, you can see here. See the container class we have, right? When I click on the container class, I get to see the complete container. What is the entire content of this particular layout is there inside the container. So here we can see that container is adding the space both the sides of the left and right of the container, right? Okay, then we have a div tag. You can see here header tag we have. How the header tag is, you see here the header tag, right? This is a header tag we have. Yeah, header tag, it shows the row. Maybe if you expand, you will get to see the first row here. And again, if you see here, we have a first column where we have written the title of the blog page, and we have the second column where we have written the menu. Then we have next, we have a body, the h1 tag we have here, right? Then we have a next row where the post content is written. So here you can see the first row, yeah, one row we have, that's where content of the post is written, and the first column and second column and the third column we have here. Then if you come down, you could see the footer tag here. The first row is appearing here. Footer tag, you can expand and you can see. See, this is the first row we have. In that we have two columns. You can see here first column and the second column here you have. Okay, so if you see, the complete page is appearing in the middle of the page, right? You can see the container, right? The complete page is appearing in the middle of the page. Let's close here and come back. Yeah, we can see here the complete post is appearing in the middle of the page. Now in case if you feel that the header and footer should come out of the container, if you feel that, you need to bring it out, the header and footer, from the container. So what we can do, so the complete header and footer we wanted out of the container, right? So here I'm going to bring this header and footer. Let me select and cut and paste it outside the container class. Okay, outside the container class I kept my header and footer. You can see the changes now. The header and footer header has come out. Let me do the same for the footer as well. So footer, let me bring it out of the container class. Okay, so here I'm going to get it out of the container class. So now you can see the footer also has come out of the container class, right? The header is out of the container as well as the footer is out of the container. Now only the container is added with the spaces left and right, and then it is appearing in the middle of the page. So here I just wanted to give little space here. If I see my header, it is very close by to the margin, right? Window margin, right? So I want to give a little space. For that, I'm going to introduce the concept called padding. Okay, so here in the header class, I'm going to add a padding, which is a padding class. Class is equal to, you may say P. P is nothing but it's a padding. I'm going to give 2 space. Okay, 2 space I gave. Now if you notice here, if the header has come little bit down as well as the left side also we got the margin, right? So padding, what it does, it is going to add the spaces all the four sides, left, right, top, bottom. It's going to add. So it looks little neat. Maybe let me change this to 4. Let me change this to 4. I think you can see some more spaces added. Same thing I'm going to apply for footer as well. So in the footer, I'm going to add the padding class. So class is equal to p hyphen 4. That's how I added this space for the header and footer. So it's adding the space on the four sides. Okay, this p value will vary from 0 to 5. Let's inspect and see how the space got added here. So let me go to the inspect tab. I have told you already, either more tools and developer tools you can go, or else you can go to inspect. Okay, you can click on inspect also. You get the same information, you get it here. So this time I clicked on inspect. See, under the element tab you get to explore. Let's say under header tag, right? Under header tag, in the body, under header tag, you can observe. See here, it got added. All the four sides, the padding got added. The four space got added. Even same way, you can see in the footer side as well. Footer side as well, you can see here all the four sides the space got added. Now in case if I reduce the space, definitely you will get to see the changes here. Okay, it's not allowing me to type here. You have to modify in the code itself. So that's how you get to inspect this padding. And is the padding is only all the four sides? Is it not possible to restrict our only left and right side? I want the space, and I don't want in the top and bottom. How we can restrict this? This also can be done. Maybe in the header section, I just wanted only left, right. I don't want in the top and bottom, I don't want the space. Okay, so what I will be doing here, so in the header section, right, in the header section, I'm instead of saying p hyphen 4, I'm going to say px4, which means only the x-axis. See, you can see the difference. Only the x-axis, left side and right side, the padding got added. Right, same way I will do it for the footer as well. Maybe you can understand clearly. Footer also I'm going to say only left and right side I want the space. Right, see the top and bottom space got removed. Right. Okay, is it only this much is it possible? No. You can also give by removing the spaces left and right, and you can give only top and bottom you can give. Maybe let's try with the top and bottom. So here instead of px I need to say py. Okay, instead of px I need to say py. So what happens now? Left right space got removed, and then only top and bottom got added. Same way here you can see in footer also. Let's change this. Py I gave. So here what happens? Left right space got removed. Only top and bottom space got added. Let's inspect and see how the spacing got added. So here more tools, and then under more tools, developer tools. When you go here, you get to inspect, right? You get the first tab called elements tab. So it's appearing here. Under element tab, we need to check the header, right? Yeah, the header we did the changes. You can see here we said py4. So top and bottom space got added. Footer also top and bottom space got added, right? So that's how we can align our elements. Okay, is it only left, right and top, bottom can be restricted? No, not like that. Even you can restrict by playing with the left or right or top or bottom. Okay, let's check once how it happens. Maybe now let me go to footer. Right, let me go to footer. Here I just wanted only in the initially space. I mean left side I want the space. I don't want the space and the right side or top or bottom, right? So here left side if you want, you just have to say PS. Okay, you can notice here the PS. See in the footer we only in the header we gave only header and foot, head, top and bottom, right? But now in footer I said PS. PS is nothing but starting. Okay, in the starting only I wanted four spacing I said. I didn't talk about the left, right or top or bottom. Right, and then if you wanted only the at the end, if you wanted, I mean right side if you wanted PE, you just have to say PE. You can make out now, right? So PE means at the end only you wanted the space. So that's how you can give either left side or right side you can give. Now imagine that I wanted some space in the container, okay? I mean, I wanted in the top some space and the bottom some space, okay? So let's explore only with the top how we can give the spacing in the container class. In the container class, I'm going to say PT. Okay, PT is nothing but padding top. Okay, three space I gave. You can see the difference now. See, only in the top three space is given. Maybe if you wanted in the bottom as well, only bottom if I wanted, PB you can give. You can see the difference only in the bottom the space is added, right? Anyway, if you wanted both top and bottom, you can give PY, right? Yes, this is how the padding can be used effectively to design our layout or web page. Thank you.